offering discounts is a great approach for attracting customers and driving sales in today's competitive retail scene. Recognizing this, Shopify POS allows shops to define unique discount codes and apply percentage-based discounts directly from the POS system. This feature streamlines the checkout process, allowing companies to effortlessly offer personalized discounts to their customers. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of personalized discounts in Shopify POS, focusing on how they help shops improve customer experience, increase sales, and promote loyalty. Customer satisfaction discounts customized. Custom discounts in Shopify POS allow merchants to make unique offers for certain client categories or marketing campaigns. Retailers can provide customers with exclusive incentives by creating unique discount codes, increasing customer happiness and loyalty. These customized discounts can be tailored to certain consumer categories such as VIPs, new customers, or subscribers. Retailers may build customer connections, increase engagement, and encourage repeat purchases by giving personalized offers. Additionally, retailers can include personalized discounts into their marketing and promotional activities. Shopify POS enables businesses to design discount coupons that resonate with their target audience, driving sales and maximizing the impact of their marketing efforts, whether it's a seasonal sale, holiday promotion, or clearance event. Checkout process simplified. The custom discount option in Shopify POS streamlines the checkout process by allowing shops to add discounts directly from the point-of-sale system. Retailers can generate and enter bespoke discount codes, which cashiers can easily apply at the point of purchase. This eliminates the need for manual computations or different systems for discount application, streamlining and improving productivity during the checkout process. Additionally, percentage-based discounts can be applied directly to products or the full purchase, making the discount application process easier for both customers and cashiers. Shopify POS ensures accuracy and lowers the chance of human error during checkout by automating the discount computations. The streamlined checkout process not only saves time but also improves the overall consumer experience. Customers can enjoy a smooth and easy checkout experience without having to manually calculate or give real discount coupons. This convenience improves the retailer's image, boosting consumer loyalty and repeat business. Flexible discount administration. Retailers may control the terms and conditions of their personalized discounts with Shopify POS's comprehensive discount management options. Retailers can establish the duration of the discount, usage limits, and minimum purchase requirements. This ensures that discounts are used correctly and avoids abuse or misuse. Shopify POS also allows retailers to measure and analyze the success of their unique discounts. Reports can be generated by retailers to assess the influence of various discount codes or percentage-based discounts on sales performance, customer acquisition, or average order value. This data-driven strategy allows merchants to fine-tune their discount methods, improve their promotional efforts, and maximize their ROI. Scalability and integration. Custom discount capability in Shopify POS fits smoothly with overall retail processes, supporting enterprises of various sizes and scales. Custom discounts may be simply set up and configured within the Shopify POS system, allowing retailers to customize them to their specific business needs and brand identity. Shopify POS's unique discount features scale as retailers develop and expand. Retailers can conveniently manage their discount codes and percentage-based discounts, guaranteeing consistency across all sales channels and creating a unified consumer experience, whether they operate a single store or manage numerous locations.